Welcome to our guide on CV creation techniques specifically for construction-related jobs. Get ready to build your best application. In today's competitive job market, a powerful CV is your foundation for landing that dream construction role. We'll show you how to construct one that stands out. A strong CV is essential in construction, demonstrating your reliability, skills, and experience before you even step onto the site for an interview. We will cover 3 key techniques: structuring your CV professionally, highlighting relevant experience, and showcasing essential skills. Let's start with the structure. A well-organized CV makes it easy for hiring managers to find the information they need quickly. Focus on a clear professional layout. Use legible fonts, proper spacing, and consistent formatting for a polished look. Ensure you include essential sections, contact information, a professional summary or profile, and a detailed work history. Next, let's talk about highlighting your experience. This is where you prove you have what it takes to perform the job. Emphasize your site experience and project roles. Detail your responsibilities and achievements in previous construction projects. Use strong action verbs and quantify your achievements. Mention the scale of projects you worked on, for example, the size, budget, or timeline. Skills are paramount in the construction industry. Be sure to clearly list the technical and soft skills that make you a valuable asset. List your technical skills, including proficiency with relevant software, machinery, and any official certifications like OSHA or specific equipment licenses. Don't forget soft skills, such as commitment to safety, ability to work in a team, and strong problem-solving capabilities. Every job is unique. Customizing your CV for each application dramatically increases your chances of getting noticed. Tailor your CV to the specific job description. Mirror the language and priorities mentioned in the advertisement to show you are the perfect fit. Be sure to include all relevant training and safety accreditations, as these are non-negotiable in the construction field. Before hitting send, a final presentation check ensures your application is flawless and professional. Proofread. 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 Typos and grammatical errors can make a negative first impression. Consider asking a colleague to review it as well. Keep your CV concise and impactful. Aim for 2 pages max, focusing only on the most relevant information that sells your expertise. You now have the techniques to craft a compelling CV for construction jobs. Let's briefly recap the top tips. Remember to structure your CV neatly, quantify your achievements with data, and always customize the content for the specific role. Follow these steps, and you'll significantly increase your chances of getting that call back and landing the interview for your next construction career move. Good luck! For more tips, please subscribe this channel.